So right now, get into your comfortable clothes, into your lotus position. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to set your back up straight. I want you to sit your hands in motion and take a journey with me through a chakra meditation. Okay, so let's get started. With your eyes closed, I want you to inhale through your nose. We're focusing on the base of your spine. We're focusing on the place where you are connected to the earth, to your root chakra, to your chakra of belonging. I want you to picture, as you breathe to that area, a warm red light, a light that connects your body to the earth, an energy that grounds you, that provides you stability, that provides you comfort, that provides you safety. I want you to think of the words, I am. I am. Focus your energy. Focus your breathing. You're still breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. In the area just below your navel, just below your belly button, to your sacral chakra. This is your chakra of emotional intelligence. Breathe in to that area and breathe out. Feel and sense an orange glowing light on that area. That area is bathed in the light. This is your area and your energy of your sensuality, of your spirituality, of your creativity, of your social abilities. The words that should come to your mind for the sacral chakra are, I feel, I feel. Breathe in and breathe out. I want you to move up to your solar plexus area. That's the area between your belly button and your heart. This is your chakra of personal power. I want you to visualize a yellow, bright yellow, warm light bathing the center of your body. This is your area of strength, your area of power, your area of determination. You are a powerful creature. You are a creature that can do what you set out to do. I want you to think of the words, I do, when you think of your solar plexus chakra. I do. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. I want you to breathe into the center of your chest, to the area where your heart is, where you can feel your heart beating. This is your heart chakra. This is your chakra of self-development. This is your chakra of unconditional love. Not the love of sensuality, not the love of sexuality, but the love, the unconditional love that you feel for yourself, that you feel for your children, that you feel for your Creator. I want you to feel this area bathed in green, a beautiful green, the color of spring, the color of rebirth. And I want you to say the words in your mind, I love, I love. Breathe in and breathe out. I want you to move to the area of your throat. I want you to focus on this area. When you breathe in through your nose, I want you to focus that breath into the area of your throat and to see a blue, beautiful light, a bright blue light shining brightly in your throat area, in your throat chakra, in your chakra of self-expression. This is the area that gives us the power to express ourselves, the power to communicate our thoughts, our needs, our desires. This is the area where we communicate our creativity, where we express ourselves through creative vocalization and expression. I want you to focus on the words, I talk. I talk. Breathe in to the blue light and breathe out. I want you to move your focus to the place in your forehead between your eyes, directly on your forehead, to your third eye chakra, your chakra of wisdom, your chakra of intuition. I want you to think of your forehead and your face bathed in the color indigo, warm, beautiful indigo. This is the area of your ability to feel intangible feelings of intuition. This is the area that helps us to understand intuitively who we can trust. This is the area that helps us to see without eyes and to hear what is unsaid. This is the area and the chakra of the great power of wisdom and intuition. And I want you to feel the warm glow of the indigo in that area. I want you to move now to the top of your head. To your crown chakra. Your chakra of oneness with the world. I want you to feel the glowing violet light, the color of the night sky, as that light radiates off of your head and shoots out to the heavens and to the world to connect us from a conscious level, from the level of consciousness. For your crown chakra, your chakra of oneness. I want you to feel the warm violet light shooting out, connecting you as a being with everything else that appears in and around the earth and in the heavens. This is your chakra of knowledge. This is your chakra of consciousness and fulfillment. This is your chakra of spirituality. This is the area where you learn to know without knowing. I want you to say, I understand. Now what I want you to do is I want you to feel a warm breath that takes your body and your senses, your tingling senses from the base of your spine, from your root chakra, connecting you to the earth, and moves all the way up your spinal column to the top of your head. We are connected to the earth and grounded to the earth in our root, and we are connected to the world and the heavens through our consciousness and through our crown chakra. I want you to take one final breath deeply and hold it. And exhale and open your eyes. I hope that little short chakra meditation was meaningful to you and was helpful to you.